Or for number 14, you would have to factor 3x to the fourth power minus 3 completely. Okay, to find this, you would, since you could divide both sides by 3s, it would be on the outside, and this would be x4 minus 1. Since x4 could make a perfect square, the sides would be x squared, and minus 1. Since 1 could be a perfect square, it would be 1 on 1 on both sides. So you could do, you'll do x squared plus 1. Like you could multiply, you could break it down by x squared minus 1 times x squared plus 1. So if you want to try it out, x squared plus x squared would equals x4. X squared plus 1 would be plus x squared. Negative 1 times x squared would be minus x squared. Negative 1 times positive 1 would be minus 1. So if you bring these two down, they would be 0. X squared minus x squared would be 0. So x4 plus 0 minus 1. It would be x4 minus 1, which is the same as this. 3 times x4 minus 1. And you can also break this down, so you could break it down to 3 times x plus 1 times x minus 1, and you could bring this one down, times x squared plus 1. You can write it like this, or this is your answer. But you can also, it doesn't matter how you write it, you could also write it as 3 times x squared plus 1 times x plus 1 times x minus 1. They're both the same, just that this is put it to front.